Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to invest in the S&P 500 using Robinhood. So first thing you want to do is you want to open up your Robinhood app. And then all you want to do is press on the search bar right over here and look up Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. It should be at like the very top results. Yeah, here it's Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. It should be called like BOO. Here you're able to see a bunch of the information related to this ETF. So yeah, go ahead and take a look at that. But once you're ready to go ahead and actually purchase it, all you want to do is go ahead and press on buy, like so. And then from here, all you want to do is go ahead and invest as much as you would like into the S&P 500. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to invest something small, which is like maybe 10 bucks. Now, thankfully, Robinhood makes it incredibly easy so we can actually get fractional shares as well. So you can legit invest with even $1. You can invest in the S&P 500, which is definitely pretty cool. So once you are done with that, all you want to do is go ahead and swipe up to submit like this. And just like that, you have now invested in the S&P 500 using Robinhood. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.